Good morning, everyone. This is Prem's crypto market update for 9th November 2018. Welcome, everyone. If we can see, the market cap has just dropped 3 billion in the last 24 hours. It's now doing 214 billion. The volumes are a little bit less at 13.6 billion. Usually we see around 14 billion. And if we look basically in the top 10, we can see everything in red except for Stellar. Stellar is up 3.5%, doing now 26 cents. And if we look at the other coins, Bitcoin is down, but still at 64.36. It's within the range basically before it broke out of the descending triangle. Let's see how this is going to roll. Let's look at the coins which have done very well. We can see Eternal token up nearly 39%, Wax up 15%, Decentralized up 10%, and Zcash up 5%. The coins which have not done that well in the last 24 hours are Deutsche Coin 10% down, Basic Attention Coin down 7.2%, Mixin 5.5%, and Nexo 5%. All right. Let's continue to the news. So the French government has given a notice that they will reduce Bitcoin capital gains tax. Now, this is something which the European countries have basically, if you look at France, is one of the most forefront in cryptos, and their president Emmanuel Macron has given a lot of legislation to be friendly for cryptos, and now they're coming up with a lesser tax for cryptocurrencies. Now let's see what it is going to be, but it's going to be 30% instead of 36%, which is at present there. All right, so the next news comes from the SEC. The founder of EtherDelta has been he's been charged for having an unregistered securities exchange, and he is basically getting arrested at this point of time. EtherDelta, not the very let's put it this way, widely used exchanges, but it is one of the most decentralized exchanges. Let's see how this is going to roll in the near future. All right, so next news is from Eric Verhees. He's known as the CEO of Shapeshift. When the next global crisis occurs and the world realizes organizations with $20 trillion in debt can't possibly ever pay it back, then it must print it instead, then fiat is doomed. This is a Twitter feed from Eric. He is quite prominent there, giving his views, and he basically says that in the near future, we might have a downturn of the economy, and then it will be basically impossible to pay back their debt, and from there, cryptos will take off. All right, the next news is from the ex-CEO of Google. He says there's huge potential in Ethereum. Eric Schmidt, who used to be the CEO of Google, who made it big, is basically now in a looking into potential of looking into Ethereum, and he basically believes it's an enormous, powerful tool to do so. This was the news for today. I hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe. Go to our website, bitcoinmagazine.nl, and I hope to see you on the next one.